Welcome to Ate Joy 721. Good morning, everyone. How are you all doing? Good morning. Um, I've been watching these birds. We have this bird lay eggs, made a nest in our bird house. So we've been watching it. We've been observing those birds. Now it has four eggs, and they are now babies, and we've been just happy watching those the from the eggs, from the time the bird built the nest, brought the grass, build the nest, and now wow, then lay eggs, and now it's babies. um, we had one and the other three before, but they went quick. I did not have a chance to take a lot of picture. So this one, hopefully, um, I'll get more pictures before they go away, because they are already babies. We've seen it yesterday, four babies already. So the the bird is right on the, let's show you guys, it's right there. See, I'm trying to, oh, here it is. Just in a way, it is. It's somewhere there on to the right, right, like that right there, up there. That's the bird house right there on top of my finger. So right there, I think uh, I tried to go out earlier, but um, the mama and the papa was out there. They have I think they have worms, and I think it was warm. They have something on their mouth and brought it to the nest. So I think they are there right now. But um, I like to go there when the mama is not there, so that I can take a picture of those babies. Oh, that's the one. I think that's the papa right there. Right there, that thing that flew up there. I think that's the papa right there. It's the papa bird. We love birds. We have feeders, bird feeders. So we feed them to the, they have food to eat right there. Wait, is that right? Right there, that's bird feeder. And there is more. We have three bird feeder, so that they have food to eat when they're in our yard. So I'm waiting for the mama bird to go away, and so I can go there and take a picture of it. I'll take you guys there once that mama bird go away. I think she's watching us too. She's watching me. Okay, let's go, folks. Let's go see the babies. Check out the babies before they fly away. Before they leave their nest. There is there's dove. Look, there's dove down there on the ground. That's the dove eating food. See, we have a lot of birds. That one is dove right there. Because we have bird feeder. Okay, anyway, here is this rope broke, but we replace it with this one. So there's our bird's nest. That's the mama bird. There's the mama bird. Babies. Oh, there's a storm. The babies is in that birdhouse right there. There are 4 babies there. I like to take a picture of them, but it's about to storm. I think we can go, honey, quickly. Where did she go, the mama? Oh, there she is. Oh, she's watching. I guess we will wait. She's probably
because of the bad weather. She's
right. Yeah, she is. Okay. Yeah. I'll take a picture of the babies.
They both flew off that way.
Where?
Now's the time, real quick. I just watched them fly way over there. Go.
Okay, let's go.
You want me to open it?
Yeah, I'm coming. Sure. Don't leave the scent.
It opens behind here.
I know.
You gotta come over here.
I'm coming. I'm coming.
Oh, I didn't know you were still videoing, honey.
Just like the turtle yesterday.
Somebody's not.
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm trying to
No,
open.
you had to. This is how I did it. Wait, no. Lift this up. Hold. Take that. There you go.
Ready?
Yeah. Here are the babies. Oh, it's kind of dark. Can't see it. Can you kind of tilt it upward? Yeah. There are the babies. Oh, they're wiggling. 4 babies. So kind of dark, but the babies are there. So.
Are you done?
Okay, here are the babies. We are, just a minute. Okay, here are the babies. Look, guys, you see the babies? Those are the babies. I think they are like 2 days old or 3 days old. So soon they will be having a lot of feather and then will go away. So I want to take a picture of them. 5. There's our babies. They are hairy already. They have a lot of furs. Soon they will go away. So, just wanna take a picture of them, a video. So they're going away soon. Okay, is that the oh, that's the daddy. Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Here you go.
Ready?
Minute.
Are you ready?
Yeah, it's on.
Come over here. You want it where the sunshine is,
Are they
right?
there? I
They're
don't
here.
see anything.
They're here. Oops, this thing keeps falling. Ready, set, and are they there?
Oh,
Take the picture. Take your pictures.
There is our babies. They are sleeping. I think in few days they're gonna spread their wings, leave the nest. This is about a week now, so I think they have few days left and they're going to fly away and leave their nest. There they are. They're now here, fully here. It's early in the morning. Well, it's not. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. They're asleep, and they are now have a lot of fur. Okay, guys, that's the update. Here's the. See, Pistol got hold of it. Our dog, Pistol, got hold of the bird. Pistol, go to daddy. Go to grandpa. Go to grandpa, Pistol.
Pistol. I see it. Pistol.
Go to grandpa.
Come here. Hi, baby. Inside.
Go inside, Pistol.
Inside.
That's why the mamas.
Inside. They're going crazy right now.
Hey, I'm in the video. You always do that.
I didn't know you were videoing. Crying out loud.
Oh, baby birdie. Oh. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's alright. No. It's scary out here, huh? The world is scary. But you'll be alright. Your mama and papa is out here making noise, watching you. There's the mama and the papa there. There's our baby bird. Go, baby. Go. Go fly away. Go fly away. It's okay. Let's check the rest of your nest. The others are still there. Where are your brothers and sisters? Others are still there. So I think that was the one that's ready to leave the nest. There's the mama and the papa. They're training this one. Okay, baby. You don't have to be scared. It's alright. You're scared? It's okay. I know, you're terrified, huh? Okay. Come. You want me to take you back to your nest? Oh, it's flying. There she is. Oh. There she is. She's learning to fly, exercising her wings. Go, baby, go. Go fly. You hear the mama and the papa? Those are the mommy and the daddy. Okay. It's okay. Go back there. Go back. You don't have to hide there. Uh-oh. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell button.